Why do 90% of traders lose money, even after years of trying? Well, after spending over a decade in the markets and helping clients all over the world to be profitable, I can honestly tell you it's not more information. That's why no matter how many YouTube videos you watch, strategies you try, and books you read, you're still not consistent. And so in this video, I'll show you exactly why struggling traders lose money so you can escape that trap before it's too late. See, one of the biggest mistakes that struggling traders make is that they think they're further ahead than they actually are. They're eating an apple like an orange. To master any skill, we have to jump through certain hoops, and we call this the Competence Quadrant. And many struggling traders are actually stuck in the first phase, which is unconscious incompetence. They think because they're using trend lines, chart patterns, reading the news, or trying strategies, that all of a sudden they understand the markets. But in reality, they are just guessing. And if you don't know your edge in the markets, then you don't have one. And something I've noticed across the years is that often very academic, smart people often struggle with this the most. They sometimes think that book smarts translate into profitability in trading. But actually, succeeding in the markets require a different kind of intelligence. And I like to call it market intelligence, which is a combination of trading execution, psychology, and emotional intelligence. And that can be developed. And as long as you believe you know enough, you'll never take steps to actually fix the problem. And so how do we fix it? Well, this leads us to the next stage, which is conscious incompetence. And at this stage, struggling traders realize that they don't know enough. So they either quit or start strategy hopping. So jumping from one strategy to the next, searching for the holy grail strategy. And they can often spend years of trial and error. And I actually did that in my situation as well. I tried everything. Chart patterns, support, resistance, RSI, MACD, you name it, every method of trading I've tried. And the problem is it can lead to a lot of time and money wasted during the process. And what you actually need to be profitable as a trader is a proven edge. So a strategy that's backed by statistics and comes up profitable across a large number of trades. You might think that you're being productive by reading the news, arguing with people on forums, but actually it's really best guesses based on speculation with no real strategy or system. And about 5 years in on my own trading journey, I was able to actually meet top traders, some were hedge fund traders, that actually explained this whole process of developing an edge. And based on this, I was able to build my market to edge system, which has enabled me to leave my career as a doctor and pass multiple six figures in proprietary funding for myself and other traders as well. And once you have a proven edge, you're ready to move to the next stage, which is conscious competence. And by now, you know exactly what to do before, during, and after the trade. You're also getting substantially better at trading execution, but you shouldn't take your foot off the gas. And as you keep practicing, trading eventually becomes automatic, kind of like driving a car or playing an instrument. And that leads to the final stage, which is unconscious competence. So think of famous basketball players like Michael Jordan. They achieved a level of mastery so great in basketball that dribbling the basketball is just automatic for them. And we should also strive for this in trading as well. I think a key takeaway for you also is to always stay intellectually humble and never assume you know everything in the markets. And if you enjoy this video, then you will love my previous video in which I cover costly trading mistakes. And once you watch this, you will never look at markets the same way.